Hello everybody. Today I'm back with the food unbox of snack or you call junk food. Yep. I'm kind of not really good now. I open for you guys to see many the junk food snack, but in order I you know to do other stuff, I need some kind of video like this in order to stay afloat. If you guys follow me, and I think you guys already know what happened with my channels all the time, because I'm talk too much and talking those that should not, they don't want to hear. Yep, I know I'm bad sometimes, but I'm trying to no talking, but I can't. Probably I live in the U.S. too long, is why. I live here in the U.S. in the 1991 November, so this year since it's September 2023. Is by this November it will be 32 years living in the U.S. So I cannot hold my mouth shut. So I sometimes I talk out. I speak the problems or stuff like that, and they don't like it. They don't like to hear, and then they don't like it. So they somehow they lock my video, or some people just hit report or something like that. My video have a problem, so how must. Okay, anyway. uh, Today I open unbox this package for you to see. This is potato chips, and this is from the company's Lay's, and this is the types of this potato chip is Wavy. I think it's Wavy like this one. It's the original. And the package type is a mix and match. Net weight is a 15.5 over 8 ounces or 442.9 grams. And this is the potato chips you can see right here. And this is it's such a price. They have here 640.49, and the best use is November 21st, 2023. And this one I bought at the wholesale store. This cost me $3.98, but here this just $6.49. If you buy from retail, probably $6.49, because I bought another two potato chip packages. I show you on the video already. It's at such a price exactly in the package. It's a $4.59 and a list or something like that. But sometimes the store they have a promotion, buy one get one free. So I got that's the $4.99. But that's one package of $4.99 is buy one for one free. That's package. I think we have the amount of this is a seven something. How's just. Anyway, look at the back here, the nutrition fact right here. I don't know I can show you here or not, but I try as much as I can. And this is the seymour right here. Probably you can here some on top here. Probably you cannot see it because I use my webcam, the one USB webcam I hook up with my computer, and my hand is shaking a lot, so I should not use the camera scanner around for you to see. That's my liberty now. Because back then when your video is checking is okay, fine, no problem, but nowadays if your video is checking, I don't know, somehow I saw this is a kind of no view, or this is a kind of slowly. I know, kind of like no one watching, or sometimes you make the YouTube put the red flag, no, the yellow flag on advertising, some stuff like that too. So I try to put my camera steady. Here there's a nutrition fact, and there's about 15 servings per container. Serving size is let me see, I don't have, I read the backward. Yeah, about 11 chips. That's 28 grams per serving. So that is you just type in the you just calculate from 15 and 11. That's come up with the number of chips slices in here. So 15 by 11. So how about 15 by 10? 150, and another 165 slices in here. And this is calories is 160. The amount per package, amount per serving, not package. Amount per serving is 160 calories. So this is about 15 servings. So 15 by 160. If you eat a whole package, that's the amount of calories you have got is 160 by 16. Oh, I'm sorry, 16 not 15. So 16 by 11 is 160. Another 16, 176 slice of potato chip, a slice of potato chips in here. And you add 16 here times 160 calories to come up the amount of calorie in a whole package. There's a package if you eat all of them. 160 by 15, like 1060 plus 800 is 2400. Plus another 160, so 2500, that's 2560 calories. It's right. 1000 plus 8 is 2400, plus another one is 2560 calories with the whole package if you eat all of them. I think I need a rest because I read the backwards, so it's difficult for me to read too. Here, I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah. For total fat is 10 grams, it's 13%. In here, you take a look at it, and I turn around and I will read it because it's difficult for me to read backward. And here is everything here. No artificial flavor, no reserves. No MSG, just guarantee fresh. Tasty, delicious if you dip it in the sauce, yummy. So the total fat is 13%, is for 10 grams, and that is the total fat. They have saturated fat 1.5 grams, is 7%. Trans fat 0 grams. And cholesterol is 0 milligrams, so 0%. Sodium 140 milligrams, 6%. Total carbohydrate 15 grams, 6%. And that's total. They have dietary fibers 1 gram, so 5%. And total sugars less than 1 grams. Protein they have 2 grams. And the vitamin D 0 micrograms, 0%. Calcium 10 milligrams, 0%. iron 0.6 milligrams 2%, potassium 350 milligrams 6%, vitamin C 6%, not a significant source of added sugars, and they have the thing check mark at the percentage value. It says the percentage value of TV tells you how much nutrients in a serving of food contributes to the daily diet. 2,000 calories a day is used to for general nutrition advice. Ingredients: they have potatoes, vegetables, oil. Then that vegetables they have canola, corn, soybean, and or sunflower oil, and salt. This is by Frito-Lay in Plano, Texas. Frito-Lay North America in. Okay. Takes too long, right? So let's open it. This is it looks like the same as the other chip this way. I think this one is the thicker than the classic one. The classic one is thinner. Did I open the classic one in this channel yet? I don't know. Another day I dropped this package on the floor. Probably just cracked something. Oops! I dropped the whole on the floor. You know what? Let me go to How about this? That's the whole package. I drop them here. Yep. You know what? The interesting thing is, if you put your food somewhere, probably you got some ants come to your food or stuff like that. But these potato chip and soy sauce, they didn't like it. They don't like it, nothing like it. They don't like it. They never come. Okay, here the whole package. I pour out the whole package right here. Yeah. Yum, yum, this one is not saucy like the another one I bought it. The big package is the package. You know what? I try to buy the chip sound louder because my neighbor in the backyard is hawking. I don't want to record. Yeah. Oh no, I think this camera the noise cancellation. I forgot about it. I used my 2K webcam, but it didn't come out with 2K. It come only 1080. Oh, I want to, yeah, how they cut it. They call wavy, like this, it's called wavy. I think, I think that's the video very long now. I thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.